Our AUK adjustable fence clamps are bought in pairs, so they can either be used with our squares for aiding assembly, or one of the places they're used an awful lot is if we were trying to put a sacrificial fence onto one of our machines. If you try to clamp it on with a standard clamp, obviously it would be in the way of your timber coming through. If we pre-drill holes down through the top of your bit of plywood or timber, 8.5mm hole, the bar will sit into the hole, you can tighten him up, and now you've got a clear running surface going all the way through for your machining. You can buy our adjustable fence clamps from woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. You also check us out on our social media channels to see some of the work that we're doing with them.